Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel and welcome back to this video. If you're new, do well to hit that subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to take a trade on Predict Market on your data exchange app. So if you don't know about Predict Market is an option data exchange introduced to enable traders trade confidently and comfortable, especially if you're a new beginner trader. You don't know how to analyze the trend, you don't know how to analyze chart. Predict Market is especially for you, it's made especially for you. So right here on your data exchange app, this is where you're going to click right here. And if you don't have an account with data exchange, there will be a link in the description where you can create your account and also get a discount for doing that. There will also be a link in the description below to join our Telegram channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to place a trade on data Predict Market on data exchange. Alright, without wasting much time, there are two options you can actually use to place a trade by predicting. Do you think this market is going to buy? If it's yes, you type in the amount. If it's no, you type in the amount. So right now we are going to be predicting this market right now. So looking at BTC, I'm thinking this market is going to sell. So one thing about Predict Market that is very different from other exchanges is that you can actually use the minimum amount of money to trade. Alright, unlike futures where you have to have a lot of money or use a large leverage, Predict Market gives you that opportunity to use a smaller amount to trade. So right now we're going to be using $1, and now looking at this pair now, I think BTC is actually going to sell. Let's look at it well. So I'm going to click on no. Alright, so let's click on this confirm. So after you've made your prediction, you click on confirm. So let's see what happens. Now my trade has been submitted. Alright, so this is how the trade is looking like. So let's see what happens. Alright, this is how the trade is looking like. So this is just how to actually trade on Predict Market right here. So right now, if this trade should go on my direction right here, I'll be making money right here, and I can actually decide to close. Alright, you can see the timer right here. The timer is counting. So this trade is about 11 minutes plus 11 minutes 58 seconds. So once that timer elapses, if it closes above my prediction, I'm going to make money, and if it closes below my prediction, I'm going to lose money. It's that simple. Alright, so and for trade signals, you can check the link on our description to join our Telegram channel. There we show you how to actually predict, and also we share trade signals to you. So even if we make money, you are actually going to make money. Alright, trade on Predict Market. Use the Delta Exchange app. Register using our link will be in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode.